In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Slack user ID. Whether you're new to Slack or you've been using it for a while, finding your user ID is a handy trick, especially if you're integrating with other tools or troubleshooting technical issues. So, grab your computer and let's get started. First things first, you'll want to go to Slack. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Slack's website. Alternatively, you can open the Slack desktop app if you have it installed on your computer. Now, once you're there, you'll need to log in. You can do this using your email, Google ID, or even your Apple account. Whatever account you've been using for Slack, just go ahead and enter your credentials to access your workspace. After logging in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the Slack interface. You should see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a small menu where you will find various personal settings and preferences related to your account. Next, in that same menu, you should see an option labeled Profile. Click on Profile. This will bring up an overlay on your screen featuring your Slack profile details. This overlay contains various pieces of information about you and is usually what others in your workspace will see when they look up your profile. Now, as we continue, you'll want to keep your eye out for an ellipsis icon, which looks like 3 vertical dots. You'll find it right beside the View As option on your profile overlay. Give that a click, and a drop-down menu will appear. Finally, in this drop-down menu, there is a direct option that says Copy Member ID. Go ahead and click on that. By doing so, you've just copied your Slack user ID to your clipboard. That's the unique identifier associated with your Slack profile, something that comes in handy for tasks like setting up bots or integrations that need to know specific user IDs. And that's all there is to finding your Slack user ID. Just to recap, open Slack, log in, click your profile photo, choose Profile, click on the ellipsis, and select Copy Member ID. I recommend storing your user ID in a secure place if you need it often, or keep this process in mind for the next time you need to quickly retrieve it. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow and that you're now more confident navigating through Slack's user interface. If you have any further questions or need assistance with anything else, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.